What's going on, guys? Snipe Huncho here, and I'm doing a quick GU breakdown for London session. It is currently 3:27, so 20 minutes past, 20 to 30 minutes past London session open. All right, literally just woke up, so excuse my voice, guys. So what we're about to look at is why we actually are in sales right now. You can tell that I took a sell late last week, hit take profit. I took a buy early this week, and hit take profit yesterday. So usually I was actually bullish. Um, but between yesterday and today, it actually changed. It has been struggling to pass these highs here. All right, which is one of the main reasons why my bias has changed bearish. All right, and then not to mention that we also have some divergence. If you look at the momentum on this chart here, on this indicator, we have this high that was created yesterday, and then you can see a low that was created today. But on the chart, you can see that on that day that it created a high, is actually lower than today's high, right? So that is some bearish divergence, also telling me that we could possibly see the market push shorter. All right, but the the rule of thumb is to never ever just enter the market one sided. Never ever have one reason to enter the market. You want multiple reasons to enter the market, right? And this is just one reason to enter the market. All right, you also have the RSI crossing below that this 50 line right here, which is one more sign, right? I'm not really too heavily into indicators. I've just really started referring to these not too long ago, right? If we go to the 30-minute time frame, we'll see some actually confluence with the market structure as well. Okay, and as you can see, we have. Let me go ahead and clear up these SMAs real quick for a second. We have a very clear evening star, or evening star, right? We have a bullish move here, a bullish candle, quite strong, right? Followed up by indecisive candlestick here, then followed up by a very strong bearish candle. All right, and this is one of the strongest signals that you can get, right? When this candle actually closes below that previous candle and the very first candle of the pattern, which is here, and it closed fairly below it, right? So that tells me that the market possibly wants to move lower. All right, and you do see I have two short positions in on this pair. That's only because I'm trading multiple accounts right now. This is more of a scalping account. All right, and then this is more of my swing trade account here, possibly swinging for 100 pips. But excuse me, in order to get to that, guys, we do have to break below this level. As you can see, the market has been struggling to break below this level. So by the time we get down here, if we get down here, right, because virtually anything's possible, but virtually nothing's promised, right, as well. So if we ever get down here, I'm definitely going to be risk free at that point in time, because like I said, it's been struggling to pass this level for um, going on like probably about 20 days now, right? Since May 17th, we have not been below this level. All right, and it is currently June 15th, so pretty much almost a month. Okay, so yeah, this is a quick GU breakdown. We have been in this range, so I really just been trading the range. Supply demand. A lot of people don't like to trade the range, but to me, it's a perfect moneymaker. You know what I'm saying? If you can just stay patient for it to get to the demand zone, you can easily find a nice buy opportunity and ride it up to the supply zone, find a nice sell opportunity, ride it back down to the demand zone. All right, until you get your breakout and the retest and then possible move shorter. But guys, you want to be careful, because these months of June, July, and maybe part of August, it's known to chop like this. Most of the markets are known to chop like this. So you get false breakouts all the time. As you can see, we did get a few splashes below the the demand zone here, right? Which could have easily faked some sellers out, right? But nonetheless, people are in buys now, which I would not be surprised if we see another crash below these levels. Because if people are in buys, where would their stop losses be? They would definitely be all below these lows right here. So we have money sitting down here. We have money sitting down here. All right. And this is just icing on the cake of why I feel good about this entry. Right. We have a lot of stop losses and probably buy limits as well. down below these levels, and possibly sell stops as well, right? So like I said, that's just icing on the cake of why I would like to hold these sales. Even if they end up losing, I'll still feel pretty good about everything that's happening here. All right. And even if you want to get a little bit more technical before I hop off of here. All right, we have that Asian range. Okay. And then as you can clearly see, the master pattern, you can see that it expanded down, right? And then we had an expansion up. Okay. And then what comes next after the expansion phase? We get a possible trend phase of about 3 pushes. All right. And then we get our reset. So hopefully that third push gets us down to this level, or maybe even past it. Who knows? Like I said, virtually anything's possible, but virtually at the same time, nothing is guaranteed when it comes to the market. So guys, I hope this was some sort of help to you guys of how I actually read my charts. I know it's been a while since I posted on here. I've actually just been working, been focused on my craft, and you can expect a lot more breakdowns coming in the near future as well. So in the meantime, I want you guys to be safe, trade safe, and trade smart. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at the top because the bottom is way, way, way too crowded. Peace.